how to locate start templates in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can uh, get start templates or locate start templates on Canva. So first of all, let's search for some templates and let's start them like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have started many templates, as you can see. So let's just locate where the start templates are. So as you can see, there are multiple options here. You just have to click on the three line from here, like it's the open menu section. You just have to simply click on here, and after that you can see on the upper section that's called a your start. You just have to simply click on here, and then you can see the start templates from here, and you can just simply reload and see how many start templates you have from here. And as you can see, we have multiple of them, and if we click on start templates, uh, all the start templates are stored here, as you can see on this menu. On your start menu, you just have to click and expand it, and you can see those from here. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.